Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my March kit lineup, and as I said in like 2 other videos, it's late, but I had to wait for some foil to come in. But let's go straight into the lineup because I think it's really cute. We have a little bit of green, but not too much. I think it's a pretty cute lineup for March. It's like the very late part of winter, very early spring. March is kind of, it could snow, so first we have March 4th through the 10th, and I'm using the Scribble Prints Co. Cyber Monday Mystery Love Yourself. I thought this really, really cute, and it does have sort of that almost a minty blue in it. But yeah, I just felt like using this because obviously I've been on this sort of journey at the moment of finding not so much like the healthy eating or anything, or bath bombs or anything like that, but on this kind of thing with medication and working that kind of thing out. And yeah, I really liked the theme of this kit, and I loved the colors, especially these 3 together. It looks so cute. I love that I can buy myself flowers from Miley, and like obviously I go through anxiety all the time so it's nice to have a sort of kit about that. And I thought March would be a nice time. It's sort of the beginning of spring. It is the first day of, it's the March 4th that I'm filming this right now, and it is beautifully sunny today, although still very cold. Still could possibly snow this week, but it's very beautifully sunny. So I think this would be nice for this week. Do some self-care. I am going to the movies this week. That's about it. Although granted, okay, I haven't actually planned it this week, but I could use the movie kit. Because I just got foil for the mystery kit from SBC. And I could use that for the movies because I am going to the movies this week. Okay, scratch that. I think we're moving some stuff about. I'll be back in a second. Okay, here's the dealio. I don't know when else I'm going to the movies this year, but I bought IMAX tickets for June 2 this week. And of course now I haven't planned this week, so I could use, and this isn't like a specific week kit, so I could use this February mystery from SPC for this week because it's like a movie theme. And we got this green in here, and it's still kind of, like wintry. This is very bright and fun. This spread's gonna be a lot. But, oh, I really should use it this week. But okay, we're switching gear. We're changing up. I will find a space for this one because I definitely want to use it. So let's not even go into the foil because we can do that another month. Well, unless you're choosing to use this soon, I'm using the orchid foil from SPC in Confetti 2. I just thought this orchid purple went really well with it, but okay, we're switching gears right in this video. We're gonna do February mystery because we're seeing June 2 with the IMAX, so let's do it. I did pick up these Planet Choco in black, the star header, and this bottom washi because I thought it would put perfect for this. And she paired this with black, I believe, because, well, look at the colors. I think obviously the black will go really well over the top of those. Alright, so I also need a black bundle. So let me have a look here. Take out my black section. Did it come with a star black? So it's kind of a, I'm not sure. Which, did it come with this confetti black? Trying to decide what I want to use. Yeah, this is like the new black bundle. I think actually this will look nice because it's a bit more simple, and I don't think I'll actually be using too much of the bundle. Let's look at the date covers. Oh yeah, they'll look good with this black on it. Okay, alright, we're going to use the Confetti Bundle 2 in the black, sparkly black. And then we have the Planet Choco Cinema bottom washi and header covers. So I'll probably use those, and then I probably won't use too many of the overlays actually, but I'll definitely use this bougie and these. Maybe it's a bit of a waste to bring in a whole foil bundle for this because I'm not going to use that much foil. So actually, let's put this away. And I have some black date dots in my foil binder, so I'll pick those out after this because my foil binder is on the other side of the room. The only thing is, oh yeah, I have some black bougie here that they just sell a la carte at SPC. So we got the bougie, we have the glitter head overlays and the, I think that's all I'll need because I can just use any icons. I think I have icons in black. Do I have other black things in here? I got like clear hole protectors, so that's fine. I can just use those. Might as well bring them in now. I gotta buy some more of these in my next order. Make a note of that, Jessica. And then, do I need actually any black? So I have all of my, okay, here we go. We got black little things. Oh, there we go. The TVs. And we've got all the other icon sheets. So those will be fine for my little things. And then we can just use normal black scripts. That's easy peasy, okay. But then I feel like these designs will really pop on this this set. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we changed it up because I just wasn't sure when else I would actually use this set, but because I am actually going to the movies this week on Wednesday, that'll be perfect. Okay, so maybe this video will be longer than I thought because, yeah. We will find a week for the Cyber Monday mystery, but yeah, first we have February mystery because we're going to the movies, and then March 11th through the 17th. The 15th is my cat Heidi's birthday. I know it's also St. Patrick's Day, but I don't celebrate that. I'm going to use my cat instead. So I'm going to use Cool Birthday because I did like the green and blue colors, especially for March. Still going to be kind of cold, so I thought this would be cute. Obviously not going to use these babies. I got my own baby to put in. Andrea kindly made these boxes for me, and I did this art of Heidi a couple of years ago. I do plan to do a proper pet party kit, another one, a new one by the end of this year because her birthday, she's going to be 10 next year. But this year she's 9, so yeah. Luckily, this is some old art that Andrea very kindly put in there for me in the colors of this kit. Got the doodles. Yeah, I really like the colors of this, so, and it's birthday themed. So my baby can have it. Yes, I decided to choose this one because of the time of the year. Obviously, this one could be used for anyone who likes blue or green, or it's good for like January, December, or the winter months as well. And then I am going to use this birthday, this is an old bundle in silver from SBC, the birthday set. I really like the swirls and stars in this, and we got some balloons hanging out. Got normal bougie. It does have the new scripts on it, which is fun. But I decided, and I like these, but I decided I didn't really want to do the balloon animal, the balloon dog. So I actually, and I wanted to make it a bit more cat, so I picked up the cat washi from Planet Choco. So I thought I would use this instead to make it a bit more cat themed. And then I also have these cat quotes as well, just to add a little bit more cat on top of it. This is just a girl who loves cats. Home is where my cat is. Cat hair is my glitter and crazy cat lady. I honestly could use all of those, but for this. But that is what I'm using foil-wise. I just think the silver is very classic, and yeah, we got a bit of the fun birthday design, but we've added in a bit more catness to it. So that is that week of March for my cat's birthday. Then this is a set that I moved around. I decided I would move this up from April to March because it's still wintry, and but it's still also kind of rainy and not so snowy. So I decided I'll finally use my Walking in the Rain for March 18th through the 24th. This was my other winter set for like places that are not snowy. This is like a rainy kit, but you can use this in spring, you can use this in late winter, whatever works for you, or rainy, like just a rainy day, like rainy lot of weeks even in summer, but also a sick week I feel like has those vibes, so any of those. I thought I would move this up because it's real cute and I wanted to. But we got a bunch of add-ons here. I don't know how much of the add-ons I can put in, but we will see how it goes. It's always so hard to pick all the boxes. But yeah, this is definitely, it felt more April to me with all these purples. But yeah, I decided this will fit more with the actual seasons that I'm in a bit, because it's still very wintry in March. And I thought I'd move this up. I was also waiting for some foil for the kit I originally had here, and I wasn't sure if it would make it in time, so I just moved those around. But I'm going to pair this with the Caress Press Stormy foil in silver. So we do have silver now, but I don't really care. I've decided I don't care. I could double up on foil colors because I think it really just depends what the kit is and when I want to use that. And I love this design. It's got like the storm clouds and the raindrops and umbrellas and wellies. So cute. I love that. I love the bottom washi. I've definitely been wanting to use this foil bundle, so glad I can finally put this to use with the Walking in the Rain set. And then for my final week of March, this is 25th to the 31st, which is very satisfying. I am using Believe, and this is an old kit, old kit from SBC, so you'll see it has an old format. But we were watching X-Files a lot last year, through the end of the year, and I really wanted to reuse this. I've used it once, but I wasn't watching X-Files then, and I am now, so I thought it'd be fun to use it now that I really enjoy like all the alien stuff. And I am planning to do some alien art myself this year. It's not going to be like this at all, but it still has like the alien feels, so I'm enjoying this sort of theme, so I wanted to reuse this. But it's still on the shop, but it's very, very old and there are no add-ons left for it, and it has the single bottom washi, as you'll see. So Andrea very kindly made me a washi for this to go with it, just as a gift, you know, which is very nice. But you can obviously pair it with other washi or just have the full box. But you can see how old this format is. It's gonna be fun to try and use this format again, but we will get through it. I just really love the colors, and these greens go so well, and it leads into April as well for me with the purples. You can see the bottom washi. Yeah, because I've been watching X-Files, I wanted to reuse this kit. And then I'm using the Caress Press Space Bundle in Sparkly Hollow. So this is a Sparkly Hollow. You can see there. She's a nice chunky Sparkly Hollow. And I just love these designs because you have those little alien heads and the flying saucers. So this bottom washi would be perfect for this kit. But this is an old bundle, so it doesn't have as many full box overlays and stuff. So I did pick up these custom quotes from Planner Hannah in Sparkly Hollow, and these are X-Files quotes. I want to believe, Mulder, the internet is not good for you, the truth is out there, and then this is like, I feel like this is a big ship quote. When I watched it, I was like, yeah, people love this quote, I bet. You made me a whole person. I feel like that's Mulder to Scully, I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly. But yeah, I thought those would be fun quotes to add just a little bit more X-Files to the kit. But that is everything for my March lineup. We got aliens, we got rain, we got kitty birthdays, and now we have cinemas. That changed up a bit. I feel like maybe the lineup looked better with this one in there, but because this is a lot deeper, but it's okay because I really wanted a chance to use this, and I think it is now. So I'm glad I changed my mind there, but let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know, are you using any of these kits in March? I'm sure a lot of people will actually be using an Easter kit on this week. I am going to bring in an Easter kit. This is Easter Day from SBC. I'm going to use that in my pre-planner for this week because Easter's on the 31st. But otherwise, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, so I will be using this as well this month, but it's in my pre-planner. Otherwise, yeah, let me know if we're twinning at all. But otherwise, I will see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.